4 multiplied by 0 is. Answer is 0. 4 multiplied by 1 is. Answer is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is. Answer is 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is. Answer is 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is. Answer is 16. 4 multiplied by 5 is. Answer is 20. 4 multiplied by 6 is. Answer is 24. 4 multiplied by 7 is. Answer is 28. 4 multiplied by 8 is. Answer is 32. 4 multiplied by 9 is. Answer is 36. 4 multiplied by 10 is. Answer is 40. Like the video, subscribe to the channel.